Hello everyone, here is PNB Auto Parts. Today I will introduce a new product for you. This is the rs7 C8 front bumper. Today we have already installed it. This original car is i7 C8. Our customers want to modify the rs7. You can look it. We all ready to install it, and I believe the customers will like it. If you want to know the details, I will show it for you. Okay, let's show you the product details and the quality. Please check it, the bumper for the original cars. You can look it, it's very perfect fitment. First, you can check the ACC home. We have reserved it. You can install it, and the camera home or night version horns. You also can check it, and the radar home. Fog lamp grills, we also reserve the radar home. Okay, you can look it. This is the rs7 front bumper fitment for the i7. We have already installed it. Okay, so if you are interested to do the business for the auto parts, not only for the Audi, but also for Mercedes-Benz, BMW, VW, and Porsche, also we can provide to you. So please trust me, we will share more and more products for you. And we also introduce more and more good quality products for you. If you are interested in us, please follow us. We will share more and more products. Please follow us. Thank you for your watching our video. See you next time.